Hey guys, it's Robyn here and I have a special guest. Before we start, it's my mother. She took a video what happened when we were in Taiwan and it was very fun. There was also lots of plays and it made our feet very tired. But it's good. And don't forget to subscribe to this video. Hit the thumbs up button. Now let's start into the video. Let's go.
We are here to show you what we got from
Taiwan.
So we went to different stores to go shopping. We won't show you the things in order.
So because there's two kinds of these. So this is the Yakult. Sorry that it's nothing because
there's a little bit.
Yeah, there's a little bit. Yeah. It's because I already drank it and it's very yummy.
It tastes like Yakult.
Yeah, it tastes
like
the real ones. Yeah. And they have those miniature ones that are like in the Philippines.
Irregular size.
Yeah, and then there's like this one's medium, and then this one you're gonna be so surprised. There's a big jug.
Yes, let's see.
And it came with jelly. It came with like
free jelly. But
yeah.
You ate it already, right?
Yeah, I already ate it, but there's one more in the ref. Yeah.
Look how big it is compared to Robyn's head.
Look, it's like
it's bigger than your head.
And
so Robyn really likes Yakult. That's why we bought a lot of those.
And you know that in Taiwan they have a big mango. It's the size of my face.
Yes. But we did not buy anymore.
Yeah. This is for me, guys.
We usually bring lunch to school and to work. And the brand that we use for our lunch containers or lunch food jars, the brand is Bobby or Booby. It's spelled as B-U-B-E-E. So this is how you spell it. Since we'll be going to Taiwan and Bobby is made in Taiwan, I decided that I wanted to buy more of the lunch containers or the food containers so that Robyn can use it when she goes back to school. Because the one that we are currently using, it's a little bit big. So this one is smaller. Let's open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. This one we bought from one of like a home store or a home goods store in Simenting. It comes with
a bag. It's very push-out.
This is priced at 899 Taiwan dollars. So I think if you compute it, it's about 1,800 pesos or so. But it comes with a bag already. There's a little lock right here, and this is what's inside. So you get two of those. Robyn's gonna open one. This is 0.5 liters. So you get two pieces of this with the bag. What I like about this is I think it's the perfect size for Robyn. And the insulation is quite good. So Robyn will be in grade 1 already and she'll be bringing her lunch in the morning. So I really wanted to make sure to keep her food warm. And with this, I'm hoping that it will do the trick. It's got very sturdy material.
Yes,
and
very nice.
Made using high stainless steel, and it is vacuumed.
Yep.
So hopefully Robyn will be able to open it and close it when the time comes. So she'll be using one. But if you are gonna use it for yourself and you're an adult, you can actually use one for your rice and the other one for your food or your soup. So that's one of the things that I really wanted to find in Taiwan. So happy that I was able to find. And this is the bag. It actually has a design in front.
So we got this also. It's like, it's very useful. When we went to Taiwan, I fit everything in here. It make my back hurt. It's just very good. There's even a pouch here. I used it a lot. Here's the brand.
This one we bought from RT Mart. So, it's in Shengchong, I think Shengchong district. I'm not sure, but here, and it has 2 zippers. And does it fit you perfectly, the size?
Yep.
The reason why we bought this is because we had to carry a lot of things, and it's just my husband and I who are carrying bags. So we decided, since Robyn's old enough and strong enough, we decided to get her one backpack so that she can bring her water and her raincoat inside. Because it was there was a little bit of drizzle when we went to Taiwan. So this one, I just picked out a cheap one. This was only 98 Taiwan dollars. So that's about 200 pesos. Don't expect too much. You cannot put a lot of things in this. Then again, it's just Robyn, and the only thing that we really put in here is the raincoat and water. Even water, I didn't, right? Did I put water?
Yeah,
inside?
and also we have this fan that's very useful. I used it in school, and
Yeah, we brought like a miniature electric fan because my sister-in-law said that it was gonna be humid.
Next thing, I got it from a Kinder Egg. The Kinder Eggs are so good. So it's very nice. It's miniature, and with that hole, it's for all of them has a suit, and one person has 2 suits. All of them meet Poro. He's the star. Since there's a hole, that's where you put the.
So this is the example.
So like there's the hole, and then you get the suit. There's a hole also. There's like a circle, and then you put it in the hole.
We went to Carrefour. I think that's how you read it. It's a discount shop in Taiwan, and to be honest, I was so surprised that we weren't able to buy much. We were just able to buy a few like pasalubong food items, and then this one. This is Perfect Whip by Senka. I already featured this before when we went to Japan. I really like this facial cleanser. This was only 188 for 2 already. So it was quite cheap. This one is also from RT Mart, where we got the bag.
It's a shirt.
It's a long sleeve shirt.
Reindeer.
No, deer. It doesn't have rain. I love deer.
Reindeer.
So this was also on sale. I believe this was for 109 Taiwan dollars, and I like the quality. It's quite thick. There you go. So this is for Robyn. Actually, most of the shopping items that we got are for Robyn, right, Ro?
Yep. I got it from Taipei Zoo, and since there's a panda place, there's also a store.
A souvenir shop.
And then I saw him, and I was like, I need to get something here. They're all so cute. I got my panda, and guess what name he has? No, his name is Ree. He's 1 year old, and then he has his brother, and it's not.
Wait, this is from Taipei Zoo. This is from IKEA.
Yeah, and he makes a squeaking sound.
It's a little hedgehog.
Yeah, and he's the brother of Yuri, and he is 1 day old, 1 day younger than Yuri.
Definitely cheaper than the panda. The panda was a little expensive because it came from a souvenir shop. This one's just from IKEA. I think this was just about 100 pesos or 50 to 79 Taiwan dollars. I think that's the price.
And
this one, I forgot how much this was for.
So
Or I really intended to forget.
the next thing is the strawberry squishy. It's very slow rising. When I got it, it was like so soft. I just really loved it.
This was
And it's
80 Taiwan dollars.
Yep.
Squishy. As usual, squishy of Robyn. Okay. I'm gonna show you things that we got from IKEA. Most of these are pasalubongs because For some reason, I wasn't able to buy a lot of things for myself. But anyway, I'm gonna show you again. Most of these are gonna be gifts. This one is for the office. Just got some magnets. These are ref magnets. Next product is this. It's a milk frother. So this is gonna be a gift for a friend of mine who is gonna get married very soon. So just wanted to give her something kind of home related here. And then we also have, this is for babies. So it's like a plastic mat that you can use, change your baby. Yeah. I didn't have this when Robyn was born, so I only used like a normal cloth. But I figured this was gonna be more useful because it's going to be easier to clean. Because it's made of, you know, those floaties, swimming floaties. It's made of that material. And a few more things from IKEA. This is like a coaster, or a bigger coaster. This one's for your pans or something. You can just use it to protect your table from the heat of the pan. So here, it's a set. I'm gonna be giving this to my aunt. And then we have coasters using the same material, same cork material. This is what it looks like. Got 2 pieces or 2 sets of those. One set has 2 pieces. Okay, so next few things from IKEA are these. So I bought these for my friend's kids. And then for the babies, because my friends have 2 kids, we got these ones. There you go. Also from RT Mart, here, got Robyn some hair ties.
There's 2 more things from RT Mart.
Yeah, this one.
So it's like a bunny that's a hair tie. It comes with lots of colors. And this coloring book, it's a Hello Kitty coloring book. It's very nice. I already almost finished it.
Last for IKEA is this one. It's a napkin holder. I'm gonna give to my family. Is like a cell phone holder or stand. I'm gonna be giving this to my grandma. It's cute. Now, let's move on to the snack section. We got a lot of food. Robyn, you want to start it
Now
off?
we're gonna go with this. It's like cookies that are called
Crunchy. Yeah.
And
Crunchy.
yeah, it's very, looks yummy, but we haven't tried it. So now we have wafers. It's chocolate.
Chocolate wafers.
Wafers. And then this is for my mom's doctor. And then it's like
I'm not sure what is this. Oh, salty egg yolk flavor cookies. That's what it looks like. And then
this is for me again. It's these, you know, the sticks that are brown and then white. This is one of them, and yeah, it just comes in a box from Taiwan. Next is this, I think like
vanilla cake.
Yeah, and it's
Deli vanilla cake. Let's show them.
And Taiwan people, can you read this?
I think this is. Okay, and then we have, these are like some more snacks.
Yep, these are some more snacks. These are crunchies. And another one, but it's more bigger. And we got this from my hotel. It's seaweed stuff.
Let me see. This one is seaweeds with nuts.
And here is one more from the doctor.
Passion fruit jelly. This one.
The same one, but it's a different flavor.
It's mango.
And for the doctor too.
And I got this makpa.
I don't
it's
know
like
what
pork jerky. My mom gave me one when they went to Taiwan, and I finished it right away. So I wanted to buy another one. So when we were already packing our things, we thought that we needed an extra bag, an extra hand carry. And coincidentally, I also saw a similar bag like this, one that has an opening on top and one that has 4 wheels. I saw it earlier that day, and I actually told my husband that I was thinking of buying one because I wanted something that has a opening on top so that it's easy for me to put things. Like when we go shopping, we usually bring our purple luggage, and the thing with that is the opening is on the side, so you'd have to lie the whole luggage down. Unlike this one, you can just shoot everything inside. So anyway, we thought that we needed another bag, so
but we did it.
But we didn't. Apparently, we didn't. So my husband went down because the stores were quite near to the B&B that we were staying. So he got this. It's actually a backpack that you can put in this 4-wheel trolley. So if you don't want to use it as a trolley, you can use it as a backpack. It's gonna be useful anyway, so it's okay that we got this. I think this was for 1,100 Taiwan dollars. Not sure if here in the Philippines, because honestly, I've been looking for something similar, something like this. It has 4 wheels, and I couldn't find one. What I always find is ones that has only 2 wheels at the bottom. So I didn't like that. I wanted something that has 4 wheels. So good thing that we were able to find this, or my husband was able to find this, and yeah, I think it can house quite a bit. So
yeah,
there.
And also when they told me she got a bag, I was like, what? How? I didn't see it.
So I think that is it for this video, Robyn.
Yep.
What do they have to do?
You have to press the like button, and also subscribe to her channel, YellowYum.com.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so you'll be notified once we have a video up. So that is it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed and liked the things that we bought.
And you tell us what is your favorite thing
out of everything.
Yeah.
So that's it for today. Till next one. Bye!